junk. Junk. Brand new junk. What's going on, guys? Still in a block back again. Now this Sunjo pressure washer you saw me do a review on, and it's already dead. I bought this one to replace that one that died, and the pump's locked up on it. I used this thing, I don't know, 5 times maybe. Didn't even get a video with it. I take that back. There may be one video that has this in there. Maybe. Now, I bought that because I've killed 4 Ryobi electric pressure washers. This one is leaking water profusely when I hook it up. This one the pump went out on, and the cost of a new pump on this particular model is about $200. So this is what we're going to try now. This is the Simpson MS61043. It's 3,000 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute, and has a 212 cc engine. So let's unbox it and see what it looks like. We'll go ahead and get... It's a what?
The engine.
Thank you. So we're going to unbox this thing and see what it looks like. Go ahead and get it together. Then I'll have to get some fuel and we'll try it out another time. But for this video, we're just going to see how complicated it is to assemble this. You saw the video where I assembled this one. This one I got secondhand. It was already assembled. So I'm done with secondhand stuff. And I'm done with electric pressure washers. So it was a toss-up between this one and the DeWalt that Home Depot carries. This one actually had better reviews than the one at Home Depot. So that's why I went with this. They have a Ryobi that is similar. But I just have not had... Like I said, the electric Ryobis I've killed, and I said I'm just not even going to try a gas one. I'm just not going to do it. So anyway, we're going to try the Simpson, see what it does. Let's go and get this thing opened up. So if you're wondering why I did not take this Sunjo back, it's still under warranty and I can take it back. I'll probably get a warranty replacement on it since I got like a 2-year extended plan or something like that. I really just don't have time for things to be broken. I just don't. And this thing broke within like a few months of owning it, which is absolutely ridiculous. Like there's no reason that it should be leaking anything. So, yeah, it's broke. Yeah,
it broke easily.
It broke easily. That's right, Ellie. See?
Yeah, it made me do.
Yeah, see, even the 3-year-old knows it broke easily. Yeah.
When you fix it again.
Yeah, fix it again. I'm tired of fixing stuff, so I got something new. Hopefully it'll be better than the last one. Doesn't look too complicated. I think this is a top handle assembly here. Yep. And there's the rest of the pressure washer. It should be pretty straightforward. Let me set the camera back down. I'll get it out of the box.
Wow! It's amazing!
It's amazing.
Yeah. We got that engine right there. And there was a little one. I broke really easily. Make that a little bit easy, okay?
Okay.
My daddy's making too much. They really easy.
There's the wand. There's the other portion of the wand. It's a little chintzy. Hopefully internally it's made better, but I'm not super impressed with that. Thread it in there. Thread it in here. Screw those together. Pretty straightforward.
Yeah. I take the paper off of there. I'll take the paper off there. I'll take the paper off there. I take the paper off.
It's not exactly what I was looking for. Apparently I wasn't paying attention when I got this thing because this is some universal nozzle. We'll try it out. There's a 40-degree tip here. And a 25, 15, a 0, and a soap. Typically you have tips that swap out, so I may just get a replacement from here and use my traditional tips, but this should work for now. It will not work, of course, with the foam cannon, which is one reason I got this thing, but you know, whatever. So what I'll probably do is use my traditional wand from my other pressure washer if I need to use my other tips, but this will work for now. We will go through and demonstrate all these. So anyway, the wand screws together. You just screw the 2 ends together. That's it there. And then in this package there is the soap hose that you can put in your soap. A couple hand turn knobs to tighten up the handle. Pretty straightforward. We'll go ahead and install those. Simple. Stick the carry style bolt through, twist the knob.
Okay, a little couple. You fit that, you need to stick it together. Mama, Dad, why?
Only other thing left to do is to fill up the oil. It came with its own oil here. Nice little premium 4-cycle motor oil, 10W30. Alright, so your oil fill is down here at the bottom of the pressure washer.
It is washed. Yeah.
And right now, it is showing there is no oil in there. I'm going to go ahead and fill it up to where it needs to be at.
Daddy, you might wash me. Maya, be careful.
Alright, we had a little bit of overfill with the oil. You saw I had some helpers trying to help me pour it in there. Alright, so the assembly on the pressure washer is done. Real assembly time is probably 3 minutes at the most. You got a couple hand turn screws, and yes, they are on backwards from the picture. My reason for that is toddlers. If you don't understand, then you just don't understand. But that's why they're on the inside, because they're on the outside, they'll take them off. Then you screw another one together, and lastly you put oil in it, and after the oil, of course, you put gas in there. And be sure to check your owner's manual, assembly manual, go through all the proper steps to get this assembled. This was just a quick video to show you the assembly. It's so easy, a 3-year-old can do it. Alright, well, my name's Erwin. This 3 Wheels on a Block. Thank you guys for watching this video. In the next video, we're going to fire this thing up, test it out, and see what it can do. Until then, we'll see you next time.